A dirty tool taper should sound the alarms in your shop. I'm Brad, a tooling engineer with Haas Automation, and today I'll show you how to keep tools clean with the new Toolholder Taper Cleaner from Haas Tooling. Any contaminants interfacing with the spindle taper in your machine can cause premature wear, increase tool runout, shorten tool life, and reduce part accuracy. But this electric tool holder taper cleaner makes maintenance a breeze. No need to spend time scrubbing away your tool holder anymore. The brush head is available in 30, 40, 50, and HSK 63 tapers. The 30, 40, and 50 taper options come with adapter rings for CT, BT, and SK tool holders. I'll be using the 40 taper head with the CT adapter ring. To install the adapter ring, I'll align the drive dogs and tighten the set screws with the provided hex key. Today, I'll be cleaning a couple holders with some grime built up on them, and one with a little bit of surface rust as well. All we have to do is spray a little rust preventative or oil on our tool, place it into our machine, aligning the drive dogs, and tighten the rotary knob. Next, we select the time setting and start the machine. The time setting is in increments of minutes, and the machine can be stopped at any time by turning the knob all the way to 0. I'll go ahead and set the machine for 5 minutes for these extra dirty tools and let it run. Once the machine is done running, I'm going to take the tool holder out, wipe it down with a shop towel, spray the next tool, and put it in for 5 minutes as well. Now that the machine is done running, it's time to show you our results. As you can see, our tools have a shiny finish, free of grime and rust. With the tool holder clean, I can add in my tool, spray with some rust preventative, and it's ready to load in the machine. Alright guys, don't forget to check out the Toolholder Taper Cleaner today at haastooling.com. Thanks for watching.